Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Mahrukh, and the topic I'll be presenting today is one of the most common infectious disease called malaria. Malaria is a mosquito-borne infectious disease that affects human and other animals. The infection starts from the bite of a female mosquito called Anopheles. The infection starts when the mosquito bites a human, transmits its parasite from its saliva into the human body, through which the parasites go into the human liver, where they mature and start reproducing, which then affects the human body. The symptoms start from the day 14th to 15th after being bitten. The symptoms include high-grade fever, nausea, vomiting, and severe headache. There are some severe symptoms like yellow discoloration of skin and seizures, coma, and death, but they are very rare. Now, there are so many ways by which you can diagnose the disease, like first of all the high-grade fever. Then you have the proper diagnosis from the malarial parasite test. It's a kind of blood test. You get it done from the hospital. Now let's talk about treatment. There are specific treatment which are anti-malarials. There are combination therapies for infants and pregnant mothers. We have travelers medicine for the travelers who visits to the area where the disease is epidemic. Also, we have symptomatic treatments. Also, you can prevent the disease by taking measures like using insecticides and mosquito repellents and mosquito nets and getting fully clothed. So next time, rainy season and tropical season and tropical areas, get yourself fully clothed, use mosquito repellents and get yourself protected. Thank you.